Have you ever been to a really fine restaurant and you happen to look at the dessert menu and you say, well, let me skip the main course and I want to start with dessert first? Well, that's the exact case with Velbond when we get into the interior. You've heard me say this many a times, and I'm going to say it again. What I'm saying? Videos and pictures do not do the color justice. So as you look at this color right now, you're saying, yeah, it's silver. It's a metallic silver. Well, actually, it's not. Hi, I'm Paul with Helderburg. Join me for a closer look at Velbond, a custom Helderburg that we built for a client that wanted something timeless, unique, and rare. Click the link to explore this Helderburg and several other custom Helderburgs that we've built for clients who believe driving should still feel like an experience.